Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas.
E-Series all jacked up. We got them in the garage. About to throw a gasket on. First we got to use the die cutter and get the old spring bolts off. Bolt is officially off. Oh, and she is off. There we are.
That's the old gasket right there.
The gasket is corroded onto my downpipe or onto my converter right now. So I guess we're gonna have to clean that up before we throw the new gasket on. A little look down the tubing. It's like now connected to my converter. It's like ridiculously stuck on there. It's corroded as hell. Maybe some heat? Oh, I think you got it with that. Or I think it's just cracking that half off actually. The sucker is finally off, and our converter is officially exposed and ready to be connected to our resonator piping. So this is our gasket that is going to be going to the converter to the resonator piping. The gasket is on and all flush. And what did you do with the spring bolts?
Zip ties.
Yeah, zip ties. It is officially connected and time to tighten up the bolts. And now the last step in this madness is to connect it to the... And as you guys probably see, there's no gasket in between my resonator and my muffler. So once we unbolt this, I gotta put a new gasket in there. Oh, wait a minute. What is?
That's the wrong one, man.
It's the wrong gasket. It's too big.
Yeah.
So you gotta be. Run into a little bit of an issue. As you guys see, this gasket is like way too big to fit on the resonator piping. So I'm just gonna put it on, connect it with no gasket, come back tomorrow and throw it on there.
How you doing?
Just filming. So guys, I am in the D series right now, and if you noticed, the car is no longer loud. Funny thing is, it's only gonna get quieter because the gasket is not on the muffler connected to the resonator piping. Here, I'll do a quick little rip in the EJ6 just so you guys could hear how much quieter it is now. I'm in first gear right now, and it is at like 4K. Not like a big pull, because obviously it's just an LX. This thing doesn't pull exactly, but yeah, like I've said, this car is quieter. And next step is just to install that gasket, get the brake lines fixed, and the EJ6 is all ready. It's all ready to go for the daily, for the project daily. So I still have to put the gasket on, and that should make the car even quieter. Thank God this car is no longer obnoxious as hell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the gasket install on the muffler resonator, whatever. I'm sure I'll make a little vlog out of that. But if you guys like this video, you want to see more videos with this EJ6 and also my 2009 Honda Civic Si FA5, then hit that subscribe button, smash it down below, hit that like button, comment what you guys want to see, comment what you guys don't want to see, comment whatever, just say what's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out, boys.